सो हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल नेम्ड प्लेसमेंट की उम्मीद। यहाँ पे यार हम लोग क्या करेंगे कि प्लेसमेंट के जितने भी इंटरव्यू होते हैं उनका एक्सपीरियंस और जितनी भी बड़ी बड़ी कंपनीज होती हैं उनके एग्ज़ाम के पैटर्न कैसे होते हैं, उनके इंटरव्यू में किस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं, व्हाट द इंटरव्यूअर एक्सपेक्ट्स फ्रॉम यू, ये सब हम डिस्कस करते हैं। तो आज की वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं DXC टेक्नोलॉजी। जी हाँ, DXC टेक्नोलॉजी के इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में, किस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं इंटरव्यू में और क्या क्या चीज़ें होती हैं, ये सब हम डिस्कस करेंगे। तो ये एक्सपीरियंस मेरा खुद का पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। The very first moment when I joined the meeting, the interviewer introduced me himself like, "Hello Divyan, hello A, my name is this, and I am doing this in this company," like this. And then he asked me, "Tell me something about yourself." The very obvious question that I am ready for. So my answer is, "My name is XYZ. I belongs to a city ABC, famous for something." Like you can connect your city with anything, that this will make an impact. Then currently I am pursuing my BTech, MCA or whatever in particular specialization, like in computer science specialization from XYZ Institute. I have done my intermediate and high school from ABC school with, you can mention your particular marks percentage, or you can say with good marks. My skills includes AutoCAD 2D and 3D in my core. Like I'm from civil engineering department, so my skills are this in core: C, C++, HTML, etc. as per my interests. Now talk about your internship and a bit what you learned there. Then move to your projects and final year project and mention that you are working on your final year project now. At the last, you can add your hobbies and strength. I guess this is sufficient for the introduction and it will take almost 1.5 to 2 minutes. Now, your introduction drive the interviewer gives a direction to ask next questions. You can take the screenshot of this format. I guess this is sufficient for the introduction. You can. So, the next question he asked me is, who is the present CEO of DXC? So, I was prepared for this question also. This is very important question. If you are going for any interview, you have to get to know about the company, about their services, headquarters and CEO. So the CEO of DXC is Mike Salvino, appointed in September 2019. The DXC technology was founded in 2017 only, very recently, and what it provides is IT services, consulting services and outsourcing. Its headquarters is in Virginia, United States. So the next question he asked me is, why should we hire you? Generally this question was asked at the end of the interview, but in my side it was asked in initial stage. So here you have to discuss about your skills, internships and projects like you discuss in your introduction. And what words they want to hear from you is that, tell them you are honest, disciplined and punctual. These are the words that drive their attention towards you. So tell them that you are honest, disciplined, and punctual, which will make me stand out from the group. And if I get proper training, then definitely I will do wonders for mutual growth of company and myself. In this way, you can answer. So the next question is they ask is technical question, like what is the difference between C and C++? Most of you might have known C++ is the advanced version of C in which OOPS concept is introduced, and then I tell them about the OOPS. Additionally, like OOPS is an object-oriented programming language which uses classes and objects to make your code more readable and easy to write big and complex codes. So the next question they ask me is, tell me about the input and output functions in C and C++, which is also very easy. So we use printf and scanf in C and cin and cout in C++. This is also very easy question. So next question they ask me is that, do you know about the swap function? Then I tell, yes sir, I know swap function is used to swap the value of two variables, and I give them the example like If we have the variables a and b, then after swapping, a's value will be in the b and b's value will be in a. Then what they ask me, the next question is, they ask me from the swap function, like tell me about palindrome. As we all know, palindrome uses the concept of swap function. So what is palindrome, they ask me. So palindrome is a series in which the first and the last elements are the same. Second and the second last elements are the same. Like if we read from starting to end or from end to starting, the series is same. This type of series is known as palindrome. And then he asked me to write the code as well. And I'm prepared for that, so I write. Then when I write the question code, he at the starting of the code I use hash include iostream.h. Then he asked what this hash means. So this is also quite good questions which most of us might skip. So hash is the preprocessor directive, tells the preprocessor to insert the content of another file into the source code at the point where hash include directive is found. This is the use of hash. And then they ask me some common HR questions like where do you see yourself in 5 years? What are your salary expectations? And are you able to relocate, like this? So don't talk about the salary. You can say I don't have any experience, so I don't expect any salary. My salary will be according to company standards. I will be satisfied. What I am looking for is experience and knowledge. Then at last they gives you the privilege to ask any question, which is very great opportunity to let him know that you are very much interested in the company, and so ask the question carefully. Don't ask about, sir, what is my salary going to be, what is the workload there. Don't ask this type of question. Just ask them about their work culture, ask them about their latest projects work going on, opportunities you will getting there to work on project, like this. So the rest depends upon the interviewer. Yeah, if you got the good interviewer, then interviewer will be good. That's all. Good luck. Do like and share and subscribe our YouTube channel Placement Ki Umeed. With a good luck, thanks.